Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit Immunity and Immune Response. In this video, we will explore how the human immune system protects us. You will learn about the structure and function of the immune system, the mechanisms behind immune responses, and the vital role they play in keeping the body healthy. The assignment focuses on an academic report about the human immune system. It requires understanding at various levels, from description to evaluation. Scientific terminology and logical structure are crucial. Diagrams should be used to support explanations. The unit is graded using Ascentis grades 1, 2, and 3. Key learning outcomes include understanding vaccination benefits and specific immune defense mechanisms. You will describe major immune system components. Explanation of primary and secondary immune responses is essential. This knowledge forms the basis for further discussion. The focus is on clarity and scientific accuracy. Task 1 involves approximately 700 words on immune system components and functions. You will distinguish between innate and adaptive immune responses. Key immune components and their interactions are explained. The consequences of immune system failure are analyzed. This task covers level 1, 2, and 3 assessment criteria. Describe the immune system's structure and function of major components. Clearly distinguish innate from adaptive immunity. Use appropriate biological terminology throughout. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding immune processes. Focus on clarity and precision in your descriptions. Explain the role of antigens and how antibodies function. The role of lymphocytes is essential to immune responses. Explore interactions that lead to effective immune defense. This explanation requires a deeper understanding of biological processes. Use clear and concise language to convey complex ideas. Analyze how immune system breakdown leads to disease. Consider autoimmune diseases or immunodeficiency as examples. Link biological mechanisms to clinical outcomes. This analysis demonstrates depth of understanding. Critical thinking is essential to meet Level 3 assessment criteria. Task 2 focuses on immune response mechanisms, totaling approximately 700 words. It includes comparison, explanation, and evaluation. Both humoral and cell-mediated immunity are covered. Clear scientific explanations are crucial. Use diagrams where helpful to illustrate complex processes. Compare humoral and cell-mediated immune responses. Describe key cells and processes involved in each. Explain differences in pathogen targeting. Diagrams can enhance understanding of these responses. This comparison highlights the complexity of immune defense. Explain how humoral and cell-mediated responses interact. The role of T helper cells is crucial in coordination. Explain how immune defense is orchestrated. Link this coordination to infection control. Understanding these interactions is vital for comprehensive immune response knowledge. Evaluate strengths and limitations of each immune response. Use examples of viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Demonstrate critical thinking in your evaluation. Address Level 3 assessment requirements. This evaluation highlights the complexity and adaptability of the immune system. Describe the difference between active and passive immunity. Explain advantages and disadvantages of each. Use real-world examples like vaccination or antibody therapy. Link this discussion to assessment criteria. Understanding these concepts is crucial for a comprehensive view of immunity. Task 3 focuses on vaccination and disease prevention, totaling approximately 600 words. Include description, explanation, and evaluation. Apply biological knowledge to public health issues. This task highlights the importance of vaccination in disease control. Understanding public health implications is essential. Describe the purpose of vaccination and how it stimulates immune responses. Include immune memory and antibody production. Diagrams can be useful in illustrating these processes. Vaccination is a key tool in disease prevention. Understanding its impact is crucial for public health. Explain the concept of herd immunity and its biological basis. Link vaccination coverage to reduce disease transmission. Use clear scientific explanations throughout. Herd immunity is vital for protecting vulnerable populations. Understanding this concept is key to effective public health strategies. Conclusion: understanding immunity and the body's immune responses is fundamental to maintaining health, from the cellular and molecular structures involved to the broader public health implications. This knowledge underpins effective disease prevention and health promotion. Applying these insights can significantly enhance health outcomes and strengthen strategies for preventing illness. Feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 074843616888 if you have questions. Our team will be delighted to help. Thank you, and see you at the next session.